Have you ever wondered what makes bone china so special? So luminous and delicate, yet surprisingly strong. Today, we're taking you on a journey deep into the heart of craftsmanship. To uncover the secrets behind this luxurious ceramic, it all begins here, with the raw materials. The star of the show is, of course, bone achat, at least 35% of it. Ethically sourced and meticulously purified, this is what gives bone china its signature translucency and brilliant white color. We combine this with high-quality kaolin clay, feldspar, and quartz. Each ingredient playing a crucial role in the final masterpiece. The first step in this magical transformation is creating the slip. The carefully measured ingredients are mixed with water in a giant machine called a blunger, churning for hours until they form a smooth, creamy liquid. Think of it as a perfectly blended batter for the world's most elegant cake. Consistency is everything. Too thick, and it won't flow. Too thin, and it won't hold its shape. Our experts check the slip constantly, ensuring it has the perfect viscosity before it moves on to the casting stage. Now, we bring the shapes to life. This liquid slip is poured into porous plaster molds. These molds are the negative space of our final design: a teacup, a saucer, a plate. The magic of plaster is that it absorbs water from the slip, causing a thin layer of clay to form on the inside wall of the mold. The timing here is critical. After just the right amount of time has passed, the excess slip is poured out, leaving behind a delicate, hollow clay body. This is a process that demands incredible precision and a deep understanding of the materials. After the pieces are firm enough to be handled, they are carefully removed from their molds. This stage is called fettling. Skilled artisans use fine tools and sponges to smooth away any seam lines left by the mold and refine the edges. It's a delicate dance of touch and technique, ensuring every piece is flawless before it faces the fire for the first time. Each handle is attached by hand, using a little bit of the same slip as a glue. It's this human touch that truly sets artisanal bone china apart. Next up is the first firing, known as the biscuit or bisque firing. The green wethats, the term for unfired pottery, is carefully loaded into the kiln. The temperature will slowly climb to an intense 1250 degrees Celsius. This initial firing is crucial. It vitrifies the clay, shrinking it by about 20% and transforming it from fragile clay into a hard, porous ceramic body. This biscuit ware is strong, but still absorbent, ready for the next stage: glazing. It's a dramatic transformation, but the journey is far from over. Now, we enter the world of color and shine. The porous biscuit pieces are dipped into a vat of liquid glaze. This glaze is a carefully formulated glass-like coating that will give the bone china its smooth, non-porous, and glossy finish. The dipping has to be done quickly and evenly to ensure a uniform coat. Any drips or runs are carefully wiped away by hand. The foot of each piece is also cleaned of glaze to prevent it from sticking to the kill shelf during the next firing. With their glaze coats on, the pieces head back to the kiln for the second firing, the glossed firing. This time, the temperature is a little lower, around 1100 degrees Celsius. This heat melts the glaze, causing it to fuse with the ceramic body, creating that beautiful, hard, translucent surface we all recognize. When the kiln cools and the doors open, we see the brilliant white, glossy bone china in its pure, undecorated form. It's already beautiful. But for many pieces, the artistry is just beginning. This is where the artists take over. The decoration of bone china is an art form in itself. Some designs are applied using delicate decals or transfers, which are carefully slid onto the glazed surface. These decals carry intricate patterns and rich colors, created with special ceramic pigments. For more exclusive or bespoke pieces, patterns are painted entirely by hand. Talented artists use fine brushes to apply precious metals like gold or platinum, or to paint detailed floral motifs in geometric designs. This requires immense skill and a steady hand, as every brush stroke is permanent. Once the decoration is applied, the china must face the fire one last time, or sometimes several more times. This final firing is done at a much lower temperature, just enough to melt the decorative pigments and fuse them permanently into the glaze. Each color, and especially precious metals like gold, may require its own separate firing at a specific temperature. It's a long, painstaking process, but it's what ensures the design will never fade, scratch, or wash away. Finally, after surviving multiple trials by fire, the finished bone china emerges. But it's not ready for your table just yet. Every single piece goes through a rigorous final inspection. Our quality control experts examine each item under bright light, checking for any tiny imperfection or pinhole in the glaze, a slight warp in the shape, or a flaw in the pattern. They even tap each piece gently to listen for the clear, bell-like ring that signifies perfectly fired, flawless bone china. Only the pieces that meet our exacting standards earn the right to be called first quality. The pieces that pass the test are then carefully cleaned and polished. They are then wrapped and packed with the utmost care, ready to begin their journey to homes and tables around the world. From a humble pile of powder and clay to a piece of timeless elegance, the creation of bone china is a testament to the beautiful synergy of nature, science, and human artistry. It's a legacy of quality, crafted to be cherished for generations. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey through the making of bone china. We hope you have a newfound appreciation for the skill and passion that goes into every single piece. If you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure into the world of craftsmanship. See you next time.